In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple and delicious homemade cranberry jam. Perfect for toast, pancakes, pastries, or even as a gift. This recipe uses just few ingredients and comes together in no time. So let's dive right in. Alright, so I have 2 cups of fresh cranberries. Okay, to that I have half cup of freshly squeezed orange juice plus the pulps. I also have 1 cup of sugar. To that is a cinnamon stick, okay? To start off, we'll pour in my cranberry to my saucepan, then add in my sugar. This helps balance out the tanginess of the cranberry. To that, we'll toss in my cinnamon stick and the orange pulse. I'm going to mix everything together, then add in our freshly orange juice. Now we'll go ahead to transfer it to the stovetop and set the heat to medium high. As it starts to heat up, you'll notice the cranberry begins to burst open. Okay, that's exactly what we want. This is going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll stir occasionally to help everything break down and cook evenly. So once our cranberry starts to soften and the mixture starts to thicken up, we'll reduce the heat to low and simmer for a few more minutes until you reach your desired consistency. Okay? And guys, if you don't have cranberry, you don't have to worry. That was what I have available. You can use pineapple, apple, mango, any fruit at all you want. Okay, it's gonna be perfect and absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it, and you won't even bother buying store-bought jam anymore. Now at this stage, I'm using the back of my spatula to break it down a little bit, and once it's nice and thick, we'll go ahead to remove my cinnamon stick. You can leave it in longer if you want that strong cinnamon flavor. So I like it a little bit smoother, so I'm going to blend it a little bit just to give us that smooth texture. Okay, then I'll allow it to cool down completely before pouring it. You can pour it into your clean jar and refrigerate it. It will last you for about 2 to 3 weeks in your fridge. Okay, and that is it. Your homemade cranberry jam is ready to enjoy. It's sweet, slightly tang, and bursting with orange and cinnamon flavor. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification for more delicious recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.